Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy. My channel is Finding Value. Today we're going to do gold and silver technical analysis update. We're going to look at the charts, look to see if we're putting in some bottoming patterns. I've been waiting for gold and silver to throw in some bottoming patterns, but we are still waiting for that pattern to develop, I think, and I'll show you in the charts. So let's jump in. Again, this is just my financial opinion. It is not meant to be used as advice. And here we go. So we're starting with the dollar upper, and the bottom is gold. Dollar was a little bit weaker today, down 0.2%. Gold a little bit stronger today. I'm surprised it wasn't stronger than it was. And we'll look at the gold chart here shortly. Here's the dollar. It's a clear breakout. All you have to do is tie these guys here together. There's your breakout to the upside, higher lows. And it broke to the upside, and we'll probably, it was down a little bit today, down to 994. But I think this will come back, retest, and probably go higher. So I think short-term dollar strength is the game here. We've got the 10-year U.S. Treasury yield. We've been heading lower today, down 4%. So we could see that it went higher, contracted in the opening and closing prices, and then is coming back probably to do like a retest type deal, which is pretty common. Might come down to like that level and then head higher. But overall, I think the trend is up in the medium to short term. Gold, now we did break this downtrend line. I threw it in there. And we've got this black candlestick. I wish this had some follow through today. Usually the black candlesticks means that it opens up high, closes lower, momentum's coming down a little bit. We could see this still slide lower. I do see, if you look at this, and you put it here, and that's what you don't want to do, but I do see a little bit of a contraction here. See that? You could say that was kind of almost a descending wedge that we broke out. We'll probably do a little small down day tomorrow, and hopefully we can try to go higher. The conditions are so right for gold and silver that they're going to have to go higher at some point. Here's silver. Again, we're still in the downtrend. We got to wait for this to break. I wouldn't be too aggressive yet. Now, platinum looks like it's breaking. I put this downtrend line in where we've got lots of contact points. It blew up through it, came back to do a retest. It doesn't look too bad. Let's see if this thing can move to the upside and get some follow through here. Gold and silver have been struggling, and hopefully it doesn't hold our platinum down. And I'm trying to find these wedge type patterns, and it is kind of wedging up a little bit. It's got to break to the upside. If it doesn't break, I'm going to be patient here and see what the heck it does. But I'm looking for these wedge type patterns where we wedge down and break to the upside. That's what I want to see. Doesn't mean what I want to see will happen, but I'm looking for that pattern where we're wedging up in the corner and trying to break up to the upside. EXK, we're at this kind of resistance or support level. That's where we're at. If you draw it right where we're at, kind of underneath, we got a hit there, a hit here, a hit here, a hit there. And we're kind of seeing support lines going across, this looks like it's going to probably head down a little bit based off of the candlestick patterns, the big down day, and then the two small up days. It's going to roll over and probably go down another day or two. Tune Resources looks like it's firming up, like it wants to go higher. That's an anomaly in this mix. Newmont, so Newmont throws in a bullish engulfing, and then we throw a bearish engulfing today. It's like someone's pushing this lower, like it wants to go lower. I'm just looking at some of these different ones. I don't own these, Barrick Gold. I'm just looking to see what the overall sector looks like. It still looks like we're in pullback mode. I don't see any large up buying pressure days. I want to, but I just don't see it. PLG, again, I think we're probably going to head a little bit lower tomorrow. We'll see how low this goes and what it does. So So I'm being patient on it. Impala Platinum, same thing. I mean, it looks a little bit better, but I wouldn't be jumping in yet. I'm still looking for bottoms, and Franco-Nevada looks like it could continue lower with this bearish engulfing pattern. Wheat and precious metals could head, sideways to lower as well with this big bearish engulfing pattern here. And Eldorado Gold, I don't see any big buying pressure candlesticks, so I would assume that we're going to continue to head lower here. So the overall sector, I'm not that bullish on it at the moment in the short term. I'm bullish on the long term for sure. But short term, I don't see any bottoming patterns. I don't see anything that looks like it wants to turn around yet. Doesn't mean we can't, but I want to see a big buying pressure update. Come on, let's turn this thing around. I'm sick as everyone else. Going lower in gold and silver. In all honesty, it doesn't really matter to me. It does and it doesn't. I'm in it. I've got actually quite a bit of money in it. It's been rolling down in my portfolio. This portion of it. This gold and silver usually lag oil and the energy complex by some amount. I don't think it was. Oil's been going up for a while now, so I would suspect this to turn at any second. So we'll see. We'll continue to monitor the charts. We'll continue to look at it, and hopefully we can get some big buyers to step in and throw some fat, big candlesticks down so we can get the heck out of the downtrend. If you guys like this clip, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and have a good day. That's what. Have a good day. This is Finding Value.